Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach you guys how I produce a skin lightening herbal soap. So I made this lightening herbal soap with a lot of natural ingredients. You can see them. I'm actually displaying them in the screen here. So I'm going to show you the full video of how I made this skin lightening herbal soap. This soap is very good for the body. It's very nice. Trust me, you will like this soap. Once you can practice this at home, you will actually like this soap. You can see there's a lot of natural ingredients going in. There's the oatmeal powder, the neem powder, the orange peel powder, the honey, the oat powder, the turmeric powder, the camwood powder. There's a lot of powders going in here. There's a vitamin B powder. Oh, there's a salicylic powder. So just watch this video, stay glued, and learn how I made this wonderful skin lightening herbal soap. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I'll teach you how I did this from scratch to finish. So just keep watching. Over here are all the ingredients that I used in making this skin lightening herbal soap. They're actually much, so I'll not be able to be highlighting them one by one. Just watch this video and you will see how I made this. Each of the ingredients I will list, or I will write out the measurements. Over here is my caustic soda, and I'm making use of 236 grams of caustic soda, and I'm dissolving it in a water of 500 grams. Then over here are the oils I'll be using. Making use of the sunflower oil. You can see that's 200 grams. Then I'll be making use of the palm kernel oil. You can see that is 981 grams. My next oil is going to be the palm oil. I'm making use of 215 grams of palm oil. That is red palm oil. I didn't bleach it. That's red palm oil. I'm making use of 215 grams of red palm oil. This oil here is the castor oil. I'm using 50 grams of castor oil. Then lastly, the next oil is going to be the shea butter, the Ori shea butter. I'm making use of 100 grams of shea butter. So I'm making use of, I think that's up to 5 oils. So this soap is going to be very, very rich. It comprises of different oils, bringing in different properties. And over here is the silicate I'll be adding. Now I'll be adding my caustic soda solution to my oils. The process has begun. I will stir this till it gets to a light or medium trace. Once I get to trace, I'm going to place it on my electric stove and start cooking it. So this is my electric stove. I've turned it on, but I'm using a very low heat temperature. So when you are making this soap, whatsoever heat medium you're using, make sure you set it on the lowest so that it will not burn your soap. Set it on the lowest. So I'm using the lowest heat to cook this, and I'm going to cook this for 40 minutes. So patience is required at this point. You have to cook this and watch it cook. Then also I have ebooks for sale. Just in case you need ebook, you can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to purchase my ebooks. My ebooks are very informative, very rich. You can literally use my ebook and learn how to make soap. So reach me on WhatsApp. My ebook has a lot of information on how to make soap, liquid soap, detergent, hair shampoo, the bleach, the Dettol, the organic soap, the body cream. There's a lot you will learn in my ebook. So many informations are there. Trust me, you will not regret purchasing my ebook. Now there's something that happens when you are making soap using the hot method. It usually separates. So once it separates like this, you just stir it continually. If you have a stick blender, you can use your stick blender to mix it for the mixture to come together again. So you can see mine is coming together gradually. So once you encounter separation, don't be scared. Just keep on mixing. They're going to join together. The mixture will come together. If you don't have a stick blender, you can use a spoon and keep on mixing till it comes together. Even though a spoon will take a longer time, but a stick blender will mix it and make it come together quickly. Also, don't forget to check this video description. You will find a link where you can join my online class. I host online class on WhatsApp. You can join the class to learn a lot of skincare formulation. If you have difficulty reaching me through the link, you can reach me through this phone number here. Chat me up on WhatsApp so that I will add you to the training group directly. The next thing I want to be adding is my ethanol. I'll be adding bit by bit. You can see I'm making use of 400 grams of ethanol. I'll be adding bit by bit because my soap is very hot. So I'll be adding bit by bit and be stirring it. So you can see how it has gotten to a gel phase. It looks so jelly. Once it got, I started seeing that jelly phase that looks somehow like Vaseline, and I added my ethanol. At this point, I had turned off my electric stove because I don't want my soap to be too hot. I turned it off because at this point, you don't want your organic ingredients to reach or to encounter any form of heat. So I'm adding my ingredients one by one. You can see I've added my honey, my oatmeal powder, my camwood powder. I've added my turmeric. Now I'll be adding my snow white powder. I'm making use of 30 grams of snow white powder. So each of the ingredients I'm adding, I'm writing out the measurements. This is vitamin B powder, 50 grams. So this is going to be a very wonderful skin lightening soap. This soap will make your skin have a spotless appearance. Make use of this lightening soap with a scrub. Trust me, if you have a scrub and you use this lightening soap, just give yourself 2 weeks and see your skin. If you have issues with spots, rashes, sunburn, pimples, blemish, all those skin wahala, all those your skin problems, make use of this soap with a scrub and you're going to appreciate it. You will like it. Just go to the market, purchase a scrub. If you know how to make scrub, you can make yours at home. I have video on how to make a scrub. Just scroll through, you will find a video of how of how I showed people how to make scrub. Just watch the video, learn how to make your own scrub at home. Use the scrub and this soap. Trust me, you're going to love it. Under 2 weeks, observe your skin. So right now I have turned on my electric stove. I've set it on low, on a very low heat. So I'll cook this for at least 5 minutes. I'll cook it for 5 minutes. So right now it's on a very low heat. After I've cooked it and the mixture has come together again, because right now the ethanol has made it a bit separated. I'll cook it for 5 minutes. When the mixture comes together again and looks kind of jelly, I'm going to start adding it to my containers. That's the fragrance. I've added fragrance. I want it to have a nice and sweet smell. I've added fragrance. Don't forget to leave your heat temperature at the lowest. Very low heat is required for this kind of production. You don't want your ingredients or your herbal ingredients to get burnt. Too much heat can alter the workability of your ingredients. So now I'm scooping into my containers. So thank you all for watching this video. This is very, very interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be updated on our latest videos. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified on our latest and newest videos. You can literally learn this skill and start selling herbal skin lightening soap. I mean, making your money. You know, right now the Nigerian economy is shaky. It's actually terrible. People are literally suffering in Nigeria here. So you can learn this skill and start fetching money for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, and see you all on our next video. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate. Goodbye.